can't always see the night. They say they want a real one. They say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. Today we're actually gonna be rating my Fashion Nova outfits once again. My girl is here and she's gonna be rating some of the outfits that I put together from Fashion Nova. This video is 100% sponsored by Fashion Nova Men. So every outfit that I decide to wear besides the sneakers and maybe like a hat or an accessory is gonna be coming straight from Fashion Nova Men. They will be linked at the top of the description if you guys are interested in any pieces that you see in this video. But if you do end up enjoying this one, man, go ahead and slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and want to enjoy more of this type of content. And with all that being said, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it.
Is this Fashion Nova?
Yeah. They spicing it up with the stuff. So this Aaliyah shirt, Fashion Nova. The jacket, Fashion Nova. I'm gonna take like a separate clip so y'all can see what's going on.
I like these pants too.
Fire, right?
I would have thought like they were overdoing it, but they look nice. This is
You
nice.
like this one? If you were to rate this, what would you rate this outfit?
Well, you have the icon Aaliyah on here, so I have to give it at least an 8. I like it, but I don't like love the outfit.
Really? Let me know what you would rate this in the comments. I think this is a fire fit.
It's fire. Don't get me wrong. I mean, I like the sneakers with it, obviously, because
Come on, gray, black,
you
little
got
bit
the
of
fives. You got the black. I mean, I like the jeans, but I don't love the jeans.
Really?
Yeah, I feel like you pulled them off very well. Because if like a skinnier person were to wear them, they would look really bad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So an 8?
I'll give you an 8.5.
She just being generous, people. Let me know what you rate this fit in the comments. I'll be back. How you feel about this? Does it look like I'm about to go play baseball? Nah, I don't know how I feel about it.
First of all, I don't like these pants.
I think these are fire, the pants.
These pants.
I think the pants are fire. I don't know how I feel about the jacket.
The jacket is the best part.
Really?
Yes.
I don't
These
know.
pants, I mean, maybe it's because of the shirt underneath. Tuck this in. I'm not liking these pants.
Do you think it's the sneakers with the pants or it's just the pants?
It's the pants for me.
Really? I don't know. Like, I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like right here.
This outfit makes the first outfit
a 10.
A 10.
Yo, what I'm saying is, I don't know. Like, I didn't get anything to go with these sweatpants. I feel like these will look cool on like a cozy day, but I don't know how I feel about them with the fit, to be honest. I feel like with like some all black or like some black and gray Jordan 1s, maybe. I don't know how I feel about it with this though. Fuck it, something different. And this jacket, I don't know, bro.
These pants do a 360 for me. These pants, you looking like you better go get the mail outside. Like,
Yeah, these are like some cozy pants. That's what it's meant to be. I
and
feel
then
like
this, you look like you going to a Pirates game.
Nah, it look like I'm going to a White Sox game or a LA Dodgers game. Black on, come on, black, white,
This
black,
is nice
white.
though.
I feel like what y'all see right there is it's solid.
This is
the
nice.
bottom half is like let me go to my P.O. box, which is in the description if y'all want to send anything. But this is a P.O. box run fit right here. I don't know.
No, you gotta get out of here. You just disrespected the press though. These pants. Get out of here. I hate these pants. These are not coming home. I'm sorry.
They're home now.
No. Good night. Come on, the anticipation.
Alright, what you think? Still not?
I like it, but yo, I'm tired of this Aaliyah
Bro, I don't
shirt.
have another shirt. Just
Go
disregard
get
the shirt.
Get another shirt.
Disregard the shirt. I don't have another shirt.
Alright, fine. I like this jacket. This jacket is mad nice. I like the fact that you have the, what is that?
3M?
The 3M right here.
And I got the, come on, 3M on the pants too.
I like these pants too. These are fire.
What y'all think about this one?
This is nice. You look, you're about to go on a run.
This is a solid fit. It's like a chill. This is like a me fit, to be honest. This is something I would wear, actually.
Gym teacher fit.
Nah, stop.
Word, you do look a gym teacher. Woo, gym teacher.
Yeah, I think this is a solid fit, low key. I like the 3M on this and then the 3M on the pants. I feel like it just goes hand in hand.
I like the fact there's two going down. And I like the cuff sleeves. I like the pants a lot. And they're
Pants
thick.
are fire, yeah.
They're thick. It's not like a cheap material, but
It's 3M though. There's only so much you could do with 3M.
This is nice. I would give this an 8.5 as well. So far, the first fit is actually winning.
At an 8.5, it's still winning.
Yeah. So the first fit, we'll go back to. Let me just see all the fits, and I'll give you all ratings.
All right.
We'll go back to the.
What do
rating.
y'all think this one is? I know the red pants is gonna be infamous for this video, but I think this is a solid fit. Y'all let me know.
Look how it hugs his back waist. Jeans and a button or something.
So.
Oh yes, yes. This outfit is 100.
This one's
yes. I love you in pink. Beautiful. I love the little touches of artwork here. It says thanks for nothing. Beautiful. I love the cuff sleeves. These jeans are fire. Beautiful with the pink supplement. And you got the
I could have done Jordan 1s. I could have done the Travis's.
You can do any shoes with this. Yeah. This is still good. Fire. 10.
What y'all think about this one?
Yes, my favorite outfit.
I love this shirt.
You look so. This is so big on you. Ooh, oh, it's nice. Okay, you got the broken in the back.
Thanks.
This is really nice.
So I had this jacket that I couldn't really incorporate, so I wanted to show you guys anyways.
Oh, this is nice. Why can't you incorporate this?
I was gonna throw it on with another fit, but I don't think it would have worked too nice.
Okay, so. I see what you're saying too, because it's jean on jean.
Yeah,
but
I do like this.
You can do black with this. It's fine, because this is nice.
I like this jacket.
I like the fact that this looks like a poncho. It doesn't look like an actual jacket.
It's like an oversized jacket. I think this is really cool. It depends what you wear it with. I think this could have went with the black jeans I had, or maybe with like some chinos or something like that, just to throw it off. This is an overall nice jacket. I don't know how I feel about the neon strings, but it is something you could always replace for like some beige ones, and I think it would give the jacket a whole new look. Definitely nice though.
No, I actually like this a lot. This would even be nice if it was like purple to match with this.
Exactly. I feel like this jacket, you could play with it. If you have different drawstrings, you can make this jacket anything you want realistically.
I like the cut to this. You see how it like flares out?
Yeah, it's like oversized.
This is mad nice. This is a 10.
This one's a 10?
This is a hard 10.
Do you think it works with the jacket?
Yes. I'm saying dark denim like this looks good with denim on denim.
It depends on what denim, yeah.
It's not like a shortcut denim.
Like the other one.
Yeah, this is, and the fact that it has a hood, normally jackets don't have hoods like
especially this. Denim jackets.
Especially if it's a hood, it will be like, you know how it will have jean here and then sweatpants here? I hate that.
I would never.
This is nice. This is mad nice.
This one's a vibe?
This is a 10 out of 10.
What would you rate the outfits out of
So this is my first top.
This is top 1?
This is my first one.
So this is, what would you rate this?
10.
A 10?
A 10. And the first outfit, I'll change it to a 9.
Okay.
The last outfit you wore
with the
3M? The 3M, yeah. That one, I would rate it my third pick, and I'll rate that at 8.5.
Okay,
and then
we know
the other one, I'll rate that a 4.
Is that bad? I guess that's it, right? So we showed you guys 4 outfits. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite outfit. Honestly, my favorite would probably be the first outfit, simply because it's something that I could see myself wearing. The jean jacket's on point. Y'all know how much I love Aaliyah. The pants are fire with all the rips on it, and then the off-white Jordan 5s you cannot go wrong with, which low-key I gotta clean. Them bitches got some clay on it, and that gotta go, but that's another story for another time. Let me know what your favorite outfit was. Every outfit is gonna be linked in the description. Major shout out to Fashion Nova Men for sponsoring this video. It definitely does mean a lot, and I appreciate it that you guys are here watching. If you did enjoy, slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. Let me know what kind of vids you would like to see on the channel. And with all that being said,
peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want